Hey guys, let's take a look at how you can add custom CSS to your proposals. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Add Proposal if you're not there already. And then when this screen comes up, what we're going to do is I'll go ahead and select a client and then give this a title as well, just for testing purposes. So we'll just call this CSS. And I'll go ahead and drop in just a couple of modules here. But the second module that I'm going to add is going to be a code block module. So if you click on the components section, you should see this little block here. This allows you to embed custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. So you can see here it drops in hello world. This is a code block. If you click on the gear icon right here, you can actually edit the source code. So what I'll do is I will remove that and go ahead and add just an inline style. What I'm going to do for my style example here is actually add the approve or deny button from the sidebar of the proposal page when the client's viewing it. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, that block went away, but it's actually still there. It's just there's nothing there for me to display and click on anymore. But once I'm done, I'll go ahead and click Save. And now you'll see on the left hand side there's no approve or deny button, and if I actually click on the public view, which is what the client sees, by just typing / read only at the end of the URL, you'll see where it hides those buttons for me. So that's a quick example on how you can add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to your proposals.